11 Masculine qualities women secretly love in men. Women, like men, have diverse preferences when it comes to qualities they find attractive in a partner. While there is no universal list of qualities that all women secretly love in men, some characteristics are often appreciated in a partner, regardless of gender. Here are 11 qualities that some women may find attractive in a partner. Confidence. Confidence can be attractive, but it's important to balance it with humility. Respect. Treating others with respect and valuing their opinions is highly appreciated. Empathy. Showing understanding and empathy toward others' feelings and experiences. Communication. Effective and open communication is essential for a healthy relationship. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor can create positive connections and enjoyable moments. Kindness. Kindness, generosity, and compassion are often seen as attractive qualities. Ambition. Having goals and aspirations can be appealing, but it's important to balance ambition with a commitment to the relationship. Integrity. Being honest, trustworthy, and having strong moral principles is highly valued. Emotional intelligence. The ability to understand and manage one's own emotions and those of others can be attractive. Supportiveness. Being supportive of a partner's goals, dreams, and aspirations. Resilience. The ability to handle challenges and setbacks with grace and determination can be seen as an admirable quality. It's important to remember that attraction is subjective, and what one person finds attractive may not be the same for another. Building a strong and healthy relationship involves finding compatibility and shared values with a partner. Open communication and mutual respect are key to understanding each other's preferences and building a meaningful connection.